In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho Books. This process is pretty straightforward, but I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the details to make the most out of the experience. To initiate the process, you'll want to start by navigating to the top right corner of your Zoho Books interface. Here, you'll notice a gear icon, which is your gateway to various settings within the platform. Go ahead and click on this icon to get started. Once you've opened the Settings menu, your next destination is within the Users and Roles section. You'll find this quite easily. It's labeled as Users, and can usually be spotted quickly as you scan through the options. Click Users to proceed to the next step. Now, you're at the main hub for managing all user-related aspects in Zoho Books. Look for the Invite User button. It's your next click. This button initiates the process of adding a new individual to your team within the software, allowing them access based on the role you assign them. After clicking Invite User, you're greeted with a form that needs a bit of your attention. Here, you will enter the essential information for the employee you're looking to add. This includes their name and email address. It's crucial to ensure there are no typos here, as this information is pivotal in setting up their account correctly. Next, take a look at the roles available. Zoho Books allows you to assign different levels of access depending on the responsibilities of the employee. Roles such as admin, staff, or timesheet staff, among others, are available for you to select. Take a moment to consider which role best suits the new user based on their duties. This choice impacts how they interact within the Zoho system and what features they can access. Once you've reviewed the information and selected the appropriate role, it's time to bring it all together by clicking the Save button. This is your final step, so ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Clicking Save finalizes the invitation process, and an email invitation is sent to the new user. They'll receive an email containing all the necessary instructions for getting started with Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've successfully added an employee to your Zoho Books account. This addition helps streamline your operations by allowing your team to utilize the features and efficiencies Zoho Books offers. Remember, if you need to adjust roles or permissions in the future, you can always revisit the Users section to make necessary changes. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in expanding your team's capabilities within Zoho Books.